What's up everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are starting in the Honda Civic Type-R, and we're going to be installing a fun performance modification to make this car even more zippy. This year has been a pretty wild year as we come to the end of 2024. And I'd say one of the biggest surprises that I made this year as far as cars go is buying this car. You know, I traded in my manual Mark V Toyota Supra for a Honda Civic Type-R FL5. Not something that I really ever thought I would do, basically downgrading a car from, you know, what the Supra was to something that was significantly cheaper. But honestly, going into this car, it has been an awesome decision. It worked out really well. Bit cheaper, so my wife and I can check off a few more goals that we're working on, and it gave me something ultra practical, didn't have to compete with the other cars in the garage. It gave me something that I have been driving so much. I put over 1,000 miles on this car in just a couple months, and honestly, it has been an absolute go-kart to drive. So before this year is up, we're gonna crank up the Civic Type-R, installing the pedal commander. We've done these on quite a few cars, and it really dials in the throttle response. Now, this Type-R is so much fun. It is literally one of the most fun cars I've ever owned. I have been blown away with just the fun factor as well as the use and everything like that. Sounds good with the exhaust, the turbo's alive with the intake on it. Handling has been dialed in with the springs and spacers, but there's always room for improvement to get that throttle response reacting a bit more like a 1-to-1 ratio, also giving you the customization to really make the car feel how you want it to feel. It is kind of hard to explain what the pedal commander does, but basically when you press your foot on the throttle, there is a delay because this is all throttle by wire, to where when you hit your throttle pedal, the throttle body will be delayed in opening and responding to your foot. This dials it in to where you can really get it perfect and driving exactly how you want. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Here's what it's going to look like. I'll have this all linked down below. You can order it right now from Pedal Commander's website using their promo code New Year for $45 off from December 26th, 2024 to January 6th, 2025. And then outside of those dates, of course, check out the links in the description to go ahead and just order one of these in general. They're really cool. Done on quite a few cars like I've mentioned. So from here, we just pop this open. And of course, you're going to order it specifically for your car. This is going to be for this generation Honda Civic. So we have the pedal commander unit right here. You can just twist it a little bit, pop it out of there. Got the unit there, got the cable, and then 2 plugs where this is going to intercept the stock throttle. And then on top of that, inside the box, you're going to get an extra zip tie, alcohol pad, and some 3M foam tape. So that is the unbox. Super simple product. These are really straightforward. And then now let's go ahead and install it for the FL5. Again, this is basically everything right here in this simple small control unit. So onto the installation now for specifically the 11th generation Honda Civic Type-R. This is really easy. So what you're gonna do is find your pedals, which of course are located down here. I have my flashlight locked in there. You're gonna see up here, the plug on the top of the pedal, right there is all you're gonna do to unplug. You're gonna unplug that, and then basically this is going to intercept those wires. One of these will go into the throttle, and one of these will go up into the plug coming off the car. So a little bit hard to show you in detail, but that plug right there, we're just gonna go ahead and grab, and go ahead and just disconnect this. So with the installation complete, that takes like 2 seconds, unplug it, plug it in, super easy. You're gonna have the tail end sticking down here. Now what you wanna do from here depends on how you want to install this. Now you can take the backing off of it. This is a good thing to maybe Velcro down here or on the side of the car, wherever you want, you can do that. What I like to do, because I kind of fine tune it, find a sweet spot, set it and forget it. You can also use Bluetooth control with your phone, but again, I'll find the sweet spot and then I'm just gonna tuck it all underneath the dashboard and really never make an adjustment because I just like getting it perfect and calling it a day. From here though, you have your Eco, City Sport, and Sport Plus. Left and right, you can go plus and minus into the reds or into the greens. So you have a lot of different settings. In this car, around city mode is gonna be about stock. And then when you get into Sport and Sport Plus, along with the +1, 2, 3, and 4, that's where it's gonna get more and more touchy for the throttle. Now this doesn't add any horsepower. However, what it does, it gives you a much better ratio with your throttle pedal to the engine to where the car is responding to what you're doing much quicker. The best way I can kind of explain this, I guess let me use a demonstration. So you hit your throttle pedal, right? Your throttle body opens and closes. This is kind of the shape of it. So a 1-to-1 ratio is if I press the throttle with my foot, this opens at the same exact time. A delayed reaction would be this opening and then this doing it. So basically the pedal commander makes it to where if there's a little bit of a delay from when you floor it and the throttle body opens, now it's going to do it 1-to-1. So testing out now the Type R. Right now I have this in the off setting, so you can actually just turn this right off from the pedal commander itself as if it's not even on. So with that said, give my feelings for how the throttle works. Everything makes a lot of sense how it feels. It's very familiar. One thing that I would recommend whenever you do make an adjustment on it, make sure your foot is off the throttle. You don't want to have that engage when you're adjusting something. So from here, I can just turn it on and then go into city. So we're just gonna be city in the 0, so not in the green or the red. From here, and I even have my throttle percentage showing. This kind of feels pretty much stock, which is what I've noticed in a lot of cars. Doesn't really make too much of a difference in the city mode. Now, if you go into the negatives, that is where you will get less throttle response. And going into eco mode, actually, it'll have even less throttle response. So maybe if you are learning to drive manual, you can put this into the eco mode, maybe teaching your friend or something, and it is gonna make it a lot easier to drive because they can push a lot farther on the throttle and it's gonna make it to where it is a lot more forgiving. So it's really cool. Pedal commander is also helpful for when you don't wanna drive aggressive and performance focused. So with that said, foot off the throttle, we'll go into Sport +1. So, yeah, so now when you touch the throttle, you can tell that it is responding quicker to my foot input, and that is the coolest thing. Some people think that you just need more horsepower or just push your foot farther in the throttle. That's not what you need to do. It's the fact that I can now drive this car with less input, and yet the car is just gonna be responsive and do exactly what I want it to do. So nice and touchy in that setting for me to just drive the car. Still feels pretty normal, so it's not crazy or annoying or anything. And then if we go into the next setting up a little bit, let's feel that out. That is yeah, that is a lot more touchy. That is crazy. And as much as it doesn't add power, it makes the car just feel faster and respond quicker. It feels faster. It's crazy. It is hard to explain that, but it does that. It's really neat. So for fun, let's go to Sport +4. So that is going to be yeah, you definitely feel that a lot quicker responding now. It'll still rev match like normal having that system on, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, you can probably hear that whistling a little bit. This is making my reindeer antlers act a little bit crazy. Yeah, unfortunately with the antlers, I can't quite close the window all the way, so not ideal as it starts sprinkling a little bit. So one of my complaints with the Type R, there is a little bit of turbo lag in this engine. You really need to wring it out. When you're going 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, you need to let it build the revs a little bit. So while this doesn't, like I said, add power or increase boost or anything like that, it does make the boost happen quicker in relation to when you push your foot on the throttle. Because before, you give it some throttle, and there's a split-second delay of the throttle body opening, starting the whole sequence of boost. Now, you can give it throttle, it opens quicker, therefore a boost is happening at a quicker time. So it almost gives you the sense that you are flooring it more, but that's not what it's doing, because basically you just have to give it normal throttle input and the throttle body is reacting to the car and your foot just quicker. And it makes it a heck of a lot more fun. All right, Sport Plus again. Yeah, that's aggressive, that's aggressive. Now, depending on what kind of power levels your car has, too much response is not the best. When I had this on my old Nissan GTR, or even the Toyota Supra, the automatic I had that was tuned. You know, those are too powerful to have Sport Plus, way too much power, especially the Supra being rear-wheel drive. This car is kind of the same just because you can squeal those front tires pretty easily. It's a pretty powerful engine for what it is. If you have maybe a basic Honda Civic non-turbo one, you might like into the Sport Plus range. It might really help it out and give that more response, especially with the CVT. So this car, foot off the throttle, we're gonna tone it down. I've always liked high cities or low sport. So if I play with it a little bit, we're gonna go into Sport -2. That feels pretty good. So there you guys go, installing the pedal commander on the Type-R Reindeer. That is a fun way to just increase the precision that your car has to offer. Obviously, installing more power is fun with an ECU tune, but when you're able to make the car a bit more responsive, making that throttle even more engaging, it goes a long way. And remember, if you're watching this video, depending on when you're watching this, from December 26, 2024 to January 6, 2025, use Pedal Commander's code NEWYEAR for $45 off your next order. That'll be all linked down in the description below. And then outside of those days, of course, check out the listing below that to go ahead and order one of these for your car. These things are a lot of fun, and it really wakes up your car without having to break the bank. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for plenty more content. Heading into 2025, we're gonna make this Civic Type-R even more fun to drive. I think I'm successfully doing that as we wrap up 2024. I'll see you guys in the next video.